Hello everyone. Today we are with the quiz of lesson number 5, class 8 history, and name of the lesson is When People Rebel, 1857 and after. This lesson deals with the revolt of 1857 in detail. So let's get started the quiz. Our first question is, when did First War of Independence take place? 1856 AD, 1857 AD, 1858 AD, 1859 AD. And you must know the answer. And the right answer is 1857 AD. Question number 2. What does Rani Lakshmi Bai want from East India Company? To recognize her adopted son as heirs of throne, to restart the pension for her, to become Emperor of India, to get her state back. And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is to recognize her adopted son as heir of throne. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rani of Jhansi, had adopted son for the throne, but East India Company refused to recognize him. So she took part in this rebellion, and she wanted to recognize her adopted son as heir of throne. Let's move to question number 3. Nana Sahib was son of Peshwa Vishkarma, Peshwa Bajirao 1, Peshwa Bajirao 2. And the right answer is Peshwa Bajirao 2. He was pensioner by East India Company, and Nana Sahib was adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao 2. And after the death of Peshwa Bajirao 2, East India Company refused to give pension to Nana Sahib, as she refused to recognize Nana Sahib as the next year. Question number 4. Awadh was annexed by East India Company under the charge of lapse policy, misgoverned, both A and B, none of these. And the right answer is misgoverned. Awadh, who has also here, but company wanted to capture Awadh, so they charged Awadh that they are misgoverning, so they should be annexed in East India Company. Question number 5. Identify the person in given image. Who is he? Options are Shah Alam, Bahadur Shah 1, Bahadur Shah Jafar, none of these. And the right answer is Bahadur Shah Jafar, also known as Bahadur Shah II, and he was the last Mughal emperor. Question number 6. From where did the Indian Revolt of 1857 start? Delhi, Jhansi, Meerut, Kanpur. And the right answer is Meerut. Meerut was the place where the sepoys or soldiers refused to use the greased cartridge and field rifle, which was coated with the fat of cow and pig. Question number 7. On 3rd of July, how many rebels entered in Delhi from Bareilly? Over 3,000, over 4,000, over 5,000, none of these. And the right answer is over 3,000. Over 3,000 soldiers from Meerut and Bareilly entered in Delhi to bring their leader, to choose their leader as Bahadur Shah Jafar. Question number 8. Who was the first martyr of revolt 1857? Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, none of these. And the right answer is Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was the soldier of 34th Infantry in East India Company, and he was the first who refused to use the Enfield rifles, which were coated with the fat of cow and pig, as he knew. So he refused to use it, and he also showed that some officials of East India Company, and he was hanged till death on 8th of April 1857. Question number 9. Which one is matched wrongly? Nana Sahib from Kanpur, Rani Lakshmibai from Jhansi, Lucknow, Begum Hazratman, Delhi, Avanti Bai Lodhi. And Delhi and Avanti Bai Lodhi is matched wrongly. Delhi was led by Bakha and Bahadur Shah Jafar, whereas Avanti Bai Lodhi led the revolt in Mandla in Madhya Pradesh. When did East India Company recapture Delhi? June 1857, July 1857, August 1857, September 1857. And the right answer is September 1857. Which of the following choose to embrace death of self rather to surrender? Here are the freedom fighters and leaders of this freedom rebel war of first war of independence, and Rani Lakshmibai, Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Rani Avanti Bai. And you have to choose one of the right answer. Rani Avanti Bai from Mandla, Madhya Pradesh. She chose to embrace death self rather than to surrender. As per new act of 1858, Governor General was given the title of Governor, Councillor, Viceroy, Secretary. And the right answer is Viceroy. After the revolt of 1857, more soldiers were appointed from Gurkhas, Sikhs, Pathans, all of these. And the right answer is all of these. Who took part? The soldiers who took part in 1857, they were not appointed now in their army, but the Gurkhas, Sikh, Pathans, they were in the side of East India Companies, and now more soldiers were appointed in the army. Identify the freedom fighters' names. Options are Tantia Tope, Nana Sahib, Mangal Pandey, Badi Ali Shah. And the right answer is Nana Sahib from Kanpur. Who was the first Viceroy of India after 1857? Lord Dalhousie, Lord William Bentinck, Lord Canning, none of these. And the right answer is Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the person who was last Governor General of India, first Viceroy of India, with the Act of 1858. How much time the British took to suppress the rebellion? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And the right answer is 2 years. It is about 2 years that British took to suppress the rebellion very badly. Who decided that Bahadur Shah Jafar would be the last Mughal emperor? Lord Dalhousie, Lord William Bentinck, Lord Canning, all of these. And the right answer is Lord Canning. Lord Dalhousie was succeeded by Lord Canning. Lord Dalhousie has some view that Bahadur Shah Jafar should be removed from this title of Mughal emperor, but Lord Canning decided that he would be the last Mughal emperor. When was Sati Pratha banned? 1829, 1830 AD, 1832 AD, none of these. And the right answer is 1829 AD, as it was also the social cause of this rebellion. Where was Bahadur Shah Jafar exiled? New Delhi, Kanpur, Rangoon, Nepal. And the right answer is Rangoon. Rangoon in Myanmar. Rangoon is the capital of Myanmar. After this revolt, Bahadur Shah Jafar was exiled to Rangoon, where he died in 1862. Identify the place in given image during revolt of 1857. Do you know? Options are Chandni Chowk of Delhi, Red Fort of Delhi, Lucknow Residency, none of these. And this is Red Fort of Delhi, where East India Company's army entered and they spoiled everything in the Red Fort to capture Delhi. I hope you must have enjoyed the test. Keep learning, keep practicing, as it is the pure motive of our life. Thank you so much and have a nice day.